Are you having problems with your Roblox voice chat not working? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into the Roblox website on my computer and then log into my Roblox account. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Roblox account right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on this settings wheel right here. So click here and then click on help in here. And then you should actually be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now I'm just going to scroll down, and then we need to click where it says contact us in here. So click there and then just scroll down. And then basically you can, of course, click on every basically what kind of device you're using, right? So I'm just going to just click on here, just for me basically, but click on the one that you are using basically. And now when you have done so, just scroll down, and then I'm just going to click where it says need more help, contact support here. So click here, and perfectly, as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. So basically what you need to do in here is to actually write your email address, confirm your email address that belongs to your Roblox account, and then in here, as you can see, issue details. So I'm just going to click here, and then of course select like what kind of device you're using. So I'm just going to write iPhone just to demonstrate. Type of help, I'm going to just click where it says technical support in here. So click on technical support, and yeah, specific experience issue in here. So basically what you need to write in here, because it says description of issue, right? So I'm going to write like this: my voice chat is not working. Please fix this because this function is very important for my Roblox user experience. So write something like this: my voice chat is not working. Please fix this because this function is very important for my Roblox user experience. And now when you're done, just click on submit in here, as you can see. And hopefully after you have done this, then Roblox will fix this issue for you. So yeah, basically this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.